Hi, good day everyone. My name is Kenshi Zue Kabyok and today I'm going to report the 4 affidavit that were given a task to for group 3. So, let's start first of introducing the 4 affidavit. First is affidavit of complaint, counter affidavit. Third is reply affidavit. And the fourth is the rejoinder affidavit. So let's first discuss the affidavit of complaint. So everything start from the affidavit of complaint because you can't do or you will not able to do the counter, reply, and rejoinder without the first complaint, which is the affidavit of complaint. So affidavit of complaint is a sworn statement written where a person explain what happened, who is responsible, and what are the evidence in order or they have in order to formally start a legal complaint through the court. So like what I mentioned, this is the first step of in order for a specific problem to be fixed, which is they do complaint on the court. And yes. So from the second one, that is the counter affidavit. So by the word itself, counter affidavit, it is word statement that responds to or deny the allegation of the original affidavit, which is it counters the first statement, or let's say the first complaint of the complainant. So basically, the counter affidavit is actually made from the other parties. So at the same time, an affidavit, it is an affidavit made in opposition to one already made. And this is allowed in the preliminary examination of some cases. So that is the counter affidavit. It main goals is to counter the original affidavit that have been filed to the court. So the third one is the reply affidavit. By the word itself, reply affidavit, it is it is defined as an affidavit served in the court proceeding which a deponent respond to another party's evidence, and also it wears the party evidence was itself in response to evidence served by the party serving the reply affidavit. So from after you counter the affidavit, the other party also will send a reply affidavit, an answer for the counter affidavit. So yeah, that is the main purpose of the reply affidavit. So the fourth one is the rejoinder affidavit. So rejoinder affidavit is a petitioner sworn reply to the counter affidavit as well of the respondent. It is used to deny or correct new facts raised by the other side. So this is also pertains like a reply to the counter affidavit, which is it used to like for example you used to deny the fact that have been given by the other parties. So that is the rejoinder affidavit works, or that's actually how it works. So yeah, those are the 4 affidavit. Once again, the affidavit of complaint, counter affidavit, reply affidavit, and rejoinder affidavit. So once again, this is Ken with all the reports. Thank you for the my colleagues on working on the PPT. So yeah.